I'm Kasang, and this is an accumulated haul video where I'm going to show you guys a bunch of different things, from household articles to makeup to DIYs and random stuff. So without any further ado, let's get started. These are beads I got from Meesho. A lot of you guys already know, and some of you may not know, I used to run a small business which I tend to get back to, but something or the other keeps on happening. But that doesn't stop me from accumulating raw materials from my store. Multicolor beads, and this is gonna look really pretty when I make phone charm. This one's from Amazon, by the way. Okay, I think I know what this is. Now, I love DIYs, and I saw this very cute sewing machine. When I came across this mini machine in Amazon, I was like, alright, let's give it a try. And it also comes with this cute attachable table that you put on the side. Okay, not very sturdy, but so cute. It comes with a stand. Also, it comes with different threads, your inchy tape, bobbins, spare needle. Oh my god, this is so cute. I hope it works. Yeah, if it does not work, then I'm like so bummed. Okay, they've given me more bobbins and a bunch of other accessories for you. And this is the pedal, I think. Okay, so I think I have to attach these, and this is the pedal, you know, the thing that will get the machine started. Look how cute it is. It's really, really handy. And of course, it has hints of purple, and that was one of the main reasons I got this. This is from Theatre. I ordered a red stocking from them. Although my previous experience with Theatre was really bad, I ordered the chunky heeled Mary Janes, and those shoes are like bricks. You feel like you're wearing bricks, and it's very uncomfortable. This is the stocking, a note. I'm not gonna read that. Must say their packagings are really, really nice. Like, look how cute it is. Moment of truth. The color, it is not the kind of red that I wanted, but still it's nice. It's kind of like maroonish. Okay, so it is like this niche. Maybe I'm supposed to wear it like this. Yeah, so there was ulta. This is no surprise. Like, this is the Hawkins Co Dairy Turbo cooker. Alright, it's nothing fancy or exciting. Oh my god, look how cute its size is. It's like so chuttu. This cooker is good size to make bhat. I'm a bhatty girl. I can't do with my rice, without my rice. See, ordered it from Amazon. Oh my god, my hair is all over my face. So that is why I ordered a vacuum cleaner. The reviews are nice, so I ordered it. So this comes with different attachments. Like, this is the main one. There's another one. Different attachments. Tiny attachment nozzle. And this is the main vacuum cleaner. There's also another attachment. This is from the brand Eureka. Again, I ordered it from Amazon. I think this is the filter. It's supposed to be like this, I think. And esto.
2,000 years later.
Your toque press ko dacha se kholindo rehacha हैन अनि टक्कै चाहिँ लाउँदो रहेछ त्यसमा थाल्दैन भक्क थाहा भयो. That's good. So this is like on and off button, टक्कै जोडेर झ्या गर्ने खाले हैन, extensions हो. So these you can just connect these two pipes here, make it longer. Obviously I take the plastic out when I'm using it, and these will get attached like this, and yeah. This I ordered from Meesho because you guys know how much I love Meesho. This is like an impulse purchase. So this is this checkered or plaid or gingham printed skirt, which a lot of you people might consider as tablecloth or parda, but yeah, I like this, like, you know, print. Okay, so the first impression, it is very see-through, like very, very see-through, and it does not have a lining, nor does it have any pockets. Cute cutter. This is something which some of you guys might find very, very boring, but I am very, very excited for this because I love DIYs, and anything which you DIY makes me really, really happy. Although I expected the yarns to be like a little bit more in quantity, the polars to be a bit bigger, but these are tiny. I got this again for the store that I'm planning to reopen. I don't know when that's gonna happen. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but whenever it's gonna happen, I will let you guys know. This I got it from Blinkit, but this is also available on Meesho and Amazon. Now this is a stand, okay, and this is something that I ordered for my kitchen. I thought it was pretty aesthetic. Okay, it's pretty heavy, but I can already see some rust going on, and considering I paid around 500, I don't think it's a very good deal, but I'm not gonna return it because my apology will actually return. If you guys are ordering from Blinkit, then don't. I would love it if they had a little bit of tanya muni pani huncha ni, so that dhulo haru ke haru puznu sajilo huन्थ्यो nama tala उठाउनु पर्छ मैले अब यो. But anyways, this is the second last item of the haul. Naika. Some skincare. I don't think there's any makeup. There's one hair related product. Oh. Ta-da! Alan Schumann mini blow. Now this is a styling brush and I really liked it because of its size. Really compact, and it's really used to so it's really easy to use on your hair. It's really lightweight, so that is another plus point. You have 3 settings here. One is cool, one is low, and one is high, and this is how you select between the modes. This is the switch, and the extension and the cord is pretty long, and it really gives the nice volume to your hair. Straightening wise, it will not give you that perfect straight hair, but it'll give you sleek hair. So yeah, something to consider if you're going to buy these. Next up is one of my favorite moisturizers from Mama Earth. It is the rice one. It really gives that like glowy face, and it doesn't feel heavy on my skin. Eyelash glue from Miss Claire. It is the clear one. I've heard and read really good reviews on this, so I'm really excited to use it. So yeah, this is how it is, because I want to get back into making makeup videos. So that's what I got it, because I need something to attach my eyelashes because I don't have eyelashes. So Color Bar primer, one of my favorite primers. It's really good. Yeah, I really like it. It is like my 7th or 8th tube of this, so really good. I think these are serums. A vitamin C serum from Minimalist. I've tried quite a few and I feel like this does a quite decent job. It is clear. So one thing about vitamin C is if your serum has changed its color to orangish or brownish, that means it's not potent anymore, so you should just get rid of it. This is my last item of the haul. This is from Ordinary. It is the glycolic acid. Now I struggle with strawberry skin, and I heard that putting glycolic serum, it helps with the bumps. So let's see, I'm using this for the first time. If it works well on my skin, then it's really nice. Again, I'm gonna share my feelings about it with you guys. I have to like turn this up and then it becomes a applicator. I really wish and hoped that it was a dropper because that would be much more cleaner. Also, I forgot to film these 2 products. This is a Wonder Chef Cry with the lid. I would have loved it if it was black, but then I had no choice. I got it from Blinkit. So yeah, and this Minimalist Salicylic Acid, again from Blinkit. Thank you so much, you guys, for sticking with me all the way to the end. If you are watching till the end, I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next one. Bye. Aftermath.